It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Welcome back, you beauties. Thank you so much for keeping it locked. Next up, we continue what has proven to be a very exciting journey into the world of Forex trading in partnership with OctaFX. Now, it's a reliable and licensed global Forex broker and a trading platform here in South Africa. They have offered a high-end trading experience to more than 12 million accounts in 150 countries so far, tried and tested. So stay with us as we make trading a little clearer. Enjoy.
Well, if you're seeking inspiration on your feel-good breakfast show, look no further than the young gentleman sitting right next to me, Lesiba Mothupi, founder of Forex Chasers. And he joins us again this morning so we can get to know more about Forex trading with OctaFX. A very good morning to you, my brother. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
Fantastic, man. I love learning from you, love hearing about your story. It keeps inspiring me. So when it comes to Forex trading, right, finally, a lot of terms.
Okay.
Or signals and assets and candles and spreads.
Yeah.
Talk to me about what all those things mean.
Okay, I love that question, Kat. So just by explaining to you what signals will be meaning, it's more of following through with an experienced trader. So let's say an experienced trader would send out a signal or a trade that they're taking, and what you can do is that you can follow through with the trade manually.
Right.
And yeah, so and looking at things such as like candlesticks, what a candlestick would simply mean is a visual representative of a chart or a price action. So what it means is that you are able to see the open, the close, and as well the high and the low of that specific price at that given time. So speaking about assets, it's more on what it is that you are going to be trading. So there's different types of assets in the markets. But when you start speaking or when you start choosing a specific assets, like let's say Euro JPY or GBP JPY or Euro USD, like that's you just focusing on one specific asset.
Okay, so when you're talking about, let's say, a Euro USD, you're talking about the Euro trading against the US dollar.
US dollar, yeah, that is correct.
Euro JPY is the Euro versus the Japanese yen.
That is true.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right. And when we talk about spreads, what are those?
Or spread is seen as like the difference between the buying and the selling price. Because in the markets, there's the buy and the sell price, but there's a young difference that you can look at. So that is the spread.
Okay, okay, that's it goes a long way in kind of filling in the gaps that I have had about some of the terminology used in the industry. When it comes to trading with the OctaFX Trading App, how easy is it to use it? Because I think, you know, that user interface also determines a lot about, like, you know, your appetite as a user to engage with the platform. So how easy is it to use it?
Using the OctaFX Trading App is literally simple because what I've done is that it took me less than a minute for me to download and register with them. And the user interface is like literally easy for you to understand. So yeah, it's like very easy.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
So when it comes to, let's say, firstly, finding out about all the information you need to know about as a new person entering into the world of Forex trading, or maybe you're somebody who is kind of experienced and you just want to refresh your knowledge, what would you recommend in terms of sources of knowledge and information? Where should I go to?
So one thing that I like with OctaFX is that they already have these basic information that you can learn from, like your webinars, your free sessions, your educational materials. And one of the things that you can do is that you can just follow through with also experienced traders in their webinars. But as well, I also have my own YouTube channel whereby I speak about this topic.
Wonderful stuff. Okay, so how do I go about downloading the OctaFX Trading App?
So all you have to do is literally go on your app store, and once you get there, you just hit the download. So what will happen is that the first step that you will see, there's like 5 steps. The first step that you will see is that they'll just ask you to enable your notifications and stuff.
Okay.
So you can enable that, allow that, and follow. Now they're gonna need like your details, like your IDs, your name in terms of how it is registered on your IDs. And the next step now, you'll just have to verify your identity. And when you're done with that, you can literally just open up your virtual account or your real account and you're good to go.
As good and as easy as that, man.
Yeah.
Very, very exciting stuff. And thanks for sharing your journey and your knowledge with us as well. Much appreciated, my brother.
Got you, man.
Wonderful stuff. So go ahead and download the OctaFX Trading App. It's as easy as you've just heard it, easy to use, and you can start investing today. Now, the OctaFX app allows you to deposit funds, to monitor trades, and to manage your trading account all in one place. And you can download the app on the Google Play Store or on the Apple Store as well. The user-friendly trading app has various payment methods, 24/7 support, 50% bonus and best trading conditions. And of course, you can apply the Expresso Show promo code on your deposit and get a 100% bonus to double it. You can, of course, dream big and achieve bigger with OctaFX.
Hey, what's that?
This is OctaFX, a new accessible platform to trade Forex on global markets.
Cool. What's the Forex?
It's short for foreign exchange, trading currencies.
Buy low, sell high. Score points, right?
Exactly.
What's leverage?
It's like you got cool friends. They vouch for you, and you can trade it big.
Precisely.
So basically, it's an app where you learn and trade, and it's safe, and it looks good.
That about sums it up here. OctaFX, trading made clear.